Hi, this morning for postcards, I thought we'd do two countries from other parts of the world that start with the letter P. And the first postcard we're going to do is from Poland. And it's from the city of Krakow, Poland. And that is an old European city. You can see they have castles there, they have big cathedrals, very old cathedrals there. And Poland is a place where Adam's Aunt Diane and Uncle Jamie went to. And they mailed us Adam a postcard and he got it in for us. So thanks, Adam. Um, Poland is European, it's on the European continent, which means it will be right about in the center of our countries of the world map. So I'm going to look right in the middle. And actually, Poland is quite a big country. In our map, it's kind of dark, but I'm going to color over that color with orange just so I know that we got a postcard from Poland, which is pretty unusual and pretty cool, I think. So there's Poland. That was our first um, other country of the world that starts with P. And we also got a postcard from someone who went to, can you see it? Portugal. So Poland and Portugal, they're both Europeans on the European continent. So I know I've got to look around here, but they're kind of on opposite sides. Poland would be kind of northeast. Portugal is down here. It's this little part right there. It looks like it's part of Spain. Spain is the big country on that peninsula, but Portugal is that kind of little rectangle spot right there. Totally different country, different governments. And so we've got Portugal today and Poland. Bye bye.